In today's video, we are going to see Global Village. Global Village is a place where around 90 countries come together to sell their country's specialty, like this foodstuffs, events, carnivals, and a lot of items. So once you go inside, you will see these artwork of each country, and in them you will find the stuff you find in that particular country. It's really cool. The entry fee for Global Village is 15 AED and it's operational from November to April. Also, the timings are 4 p.m. till around midnight. We didn't get time to go into each and every country because obviously it takes a lot of time. But we went into few of them where we got really good stuff. I'll be giving in my description the countries which we had entered and where we got cute, reasonable stuff. I got one of these magnets for 10 dirhams. They're very colorful and very cute. This is the Europe stall. There were very cute and colorful items in Europe as well. Most of the cute little stuff which I got for my house as small showpieces, small stone showpieces and all, very cute ones, is from Africa. I'll take you inside Africa so you'll see what kind of items are there. we spent most of our time in the African market. I think at least 1 hour out of the 4 hours which we were there. We entered at 8 o'clock and we finished at around 12. So I think at least 1 hour we spent in the African market. This particular stall is my favorite stall. All these items which you see are all made of stone. These small cats, the hippos, elephants, the ashtrays, tea light holders. So colorful and so cute. Everything is made of stone. The price was starting from 5 dirhams and you were getting for 10 dirham, 20 dirham and so on. You can also bargain. Make sure that you bargain with them. So as I said, there were around 90 countries, but we did not visit each and every one. There's no time to visit each and every country. I just wanted to show you the main one, which was the Africa one, where we get so many cute little stuff. And this is all for Global Village. I hope you guys liked the video. When you go to Dubai, do visit Global Village. Do go during the season time of Global Village. That is between November and April.